Located near the famous Great Ocean Road and Lawn in Victoria is King Parrot Cottages and Event Centre, a magical and tranquil place to escape to for a romantic getaway, a celebration or some quality time with the family. King Parrot Cottages and Event Centre boasts a diverse array of accommodation. From romantic getaways to large family celebrations, the 5 cottages, lodge, campgrounds and hall provide plenty of options. The 1-bedroom windmill cottage is perfect for a romantic weekend away. This 2-storey cottage includes a kitchen and dining space, a lounge and balcony, perfect for enjoying your tranquil surrounds. The Manigum Cottage is a 4-bedroom residence that features a spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a large outdoor deck, including a private barbecue. Popular with family groups, this cottage can accommodate 10 people and also has wheelchair access. The lodge and hall are ideal for larger groups and perfect for a celebration, featuring a split-level open-plan living area, a kitchen that will accommodate your function, 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The hall is connected to the lodge, perfect for conventions, seminars, weddings or yoga retreats. The campground, surrounded by lush forest, offers the option to reconnect with nature, with 8 camping sites, including cabin tents, nestled on the rainforest valley floor. There are many activities to keep you entertained during your stay. Take a refreshing dip in the outdoor pool, savour a delicious barbecue amidst the serene surrounds, or challenge your friends and family in the well-equipped games room. For those in need of rejuvenation, the infrared sauna offers panoramic views of the bushland. King Parrot Cottages and Event Centre provides a gateway to unforgettable experiences amidst the natural splendour of the Otway Ranges.